In this video, I'm going to be teaching you about Notion Calendar for beginners. So let's just begin. Now, before we move on, first of all, you can head over to the link in the description to access Notion and also get extended benefits and rewards. So let's just begin. So on the dashboard, you can see that we have this option showing up which says Connect Notion Calendar. We're going to be clicking on to this one, and once we do, just hold on a bit and wait for a couple of moments. Simply connect your Google or Apple account. Once you do, grant the permissions, which is going to be happening automatically, and click on continue to Google premises. Once you simply sign in here your account, your calendar is going to be connected. Now, what is now going to be happening if you have, let's just say, set a deadline on a specific date, it is automatically be connected with your calendar, maybe a meeting, anything, project check-in date, everything is now going to be sorted. So this is how you can connect your calendar. And now to start using it, you can see we can access calendar and contacts. So make sure you simply provide the access, and you can see it is asking for the parameters. Now it is asking for the permission, so every permission should be granted. Okay, so before I currently did not, because I do use my other account, but yeah, that's how you can start with the calendar. If you have any questions, you can feel free to let us know in the comments below, and I will be more than happy to assist you.